All right, guys, welcome to the video. In today's video, we're going to be going over the double up indicator, the new indicator that we have here in our arsenal out of six, this being the sixth yet most powerful indicator that we've had so far and probably ever out there, and we'll go over how it works. It's really simple and some rules for those who might want to use it for prop firms, etc., or just in general. So here it goes. It's already uploaded on my chart. It's a trading view indicator, I guess you can say. It is basically a custom indicator. Now, it automatically does give you a sell or a buy, right? And it automatically gives you a sell, stop loss, take profit, right? Or vice versa. Now, it is leveraging Hakanashi candles, so you might want to switch over to Hakanashi. And when you do switch over to Hakanashi candles, what you can do also is go over to the double up indicator, go to settings, and turn off the candles. Turn off these two candles and click OK. And only use the Hakanashi from here, okay? Now we got that taken care of. Simple way it works. And there's no confirmations you have to put together. You don't have to learn the strategy. When it gives you a buy or a sell, you have to wait for the candle to close. You can use it on any time frame, but I do prefer the 1 hour and above time frames. Now, you can use it for smaller time frames. You can use it for binary options, whatever. You can go ahead and do that as well. But best recommended on the 1 hour or above for regular Forex. Now, works really well on oil, works really well on gold, silver, indices, but it works well on actually absolutely everything. And outside of that, you have the alerts that you can set by going here to click alert. And you can click on condition and change over to double up and keep it on any alert. Go to notifications and set up the SMS. So that way you get a text message of a trade on any pair you want, on any time frame you want. And when the alert comes in, it'll tell you the time frame, it'll tell you the pair, and it'll also tell you the stop loss and take profit. It doesn't tell you buy or sell, but you can figure that out, because if the take profit is higher than where it is at the moment price-wise, then that would be a buy. If the price was, if the TP was lower than where the entry is at the moment, then that would be considered a sell. So even though it doesn't tell you buy or sell, you can figure it out. And if you need to rewind this and watch to understand, do so. But remember, if the TP is higher than the entry, that means buy. If the TP is lower, that means sell. So your alerts come in here on TradingView, but if you put SMS or email, it will come there as well. Okay. And you simply take the trade when the candle closes. That's when it is fully confirmed. Okay. So if you're using the 1 hour time frame, every candle takes 1 hour, right? So when the 1 hour candle closes, right there would have been your entry. Small drawdown before the big drop, and currently still heading towards TP. Even the previous buy actually went up into massive profit. TP was all the way up here, but it ended up reversing, and that's fine. You had chances to get a bag off of the buy, and you had a chance to get a bag off the sell. That's happening right now. And you can use this on any pair. So remember, when you get the buy or sell, wait for the candle to close. You have the TP and the stop loss. The stop loss and the TP. So if you want to modify the TP and stop loss for any reason, you can. It's the signal that's the most powerful part of it. But yeah, you can leverage the one it comes with just fine. The rules are simple. When you're in a trade, let's say you got in right there. Okay, when the candle closed, boom, right there. You drag the long tool, short tool position down to the stop, take profit, and right to the stop loss. And you can see it's a 1 to 2 risk reward, right? And that's why it's called double up. Typically will be 1 to 2 risk reward trades. So you would have gotten right there, and you would have been more than halfway towards TP. Now here's the rules. When you take a trade, at any moment when you are 25%, 1/4 towards target, you can make decisions to either take your trade and move it to break even, which means change your stop loss to your entry by modifying your trade that's active, or you take the whatever the bag is, you just take it, you can do that as well, or you decide to take a piece of it and trail the rest by still moving it to break even and following it as it goes, right? So you have these options, okay? You have these options. Now, the key to trading in general is risk management. So if you are leveraging this for a prop firm, a typical prop firm like my Forex funds or whatever, I recommend 1% or less per trade risk, okay? If you're participating in our contest, the rule is 1% or less per trade. Okay. And then you climb to your goal 8%. You have 30 days, right, with prop firms. Okay. So it's very simple. Don't rush it, right? When you're using the hourly time frame, it probably won't get too many signals. But here's some strategies you can use with double up, right? So you could either just pick a time of day that you can dedicate to trading because maybe you're busy, you got kids and jobs or whatever's going on in your life, maybe other businesses or whatever. So just say, okay, I can only trade at this time of day. Okay, cool. You can do that. Any time of day you choose. Come on your charts, check all the pairs you want to check on whatever time frame with double up, and just take whatever trades are actually ready at that time of day that you said you can commit to. Okay, that's one strategy you can use. Second strategy is you can set up the SMS alerts, stick to one pair or two or three or whatever you can manage, and take every single signal it gives. So if it gives a sell, you would take it. And then when it turns back to a buy, you would take the buy too. You would close the sell, either a profit or small loss, and you would keep going with the direction the signals are going by setting up your alerts. That's why it might be best to stick to one pair, because that way, with this strategy, because that way you're just following that one pair no matter where it goes, and you can definitely pass a prop firm following just one pair, taking the signals as they come, closing and trailing and whatever, right? And just using the rules that I gave. Right? 1 quarter in, make decisions, risking 1% or less per trade, no matter if the trade is 173 pips or 200 pips or 50 pips. You have to pick the right lot size, okay, to make sure you risk 1% per trade. Okay, 1% of a 5K prop firm is $50. Okay, so fit whatever amount of pips it is with the right lot size into the 1% of your account balance. All right. Or whatever you decide to risk. Because sometimes you might want to risk 0.5% per trade, whatever, it's up to you, but 1% or less. Those are two approaches you can take. Setting alerts and just following one pair or whatever, a couple pairs, whatever, through and through, every signal it gives in and out. Trail method, everything, or just dedicate a time of day to it and just see what's available at that time of day and take what's available at that time of day, which is also going to be a successful strategy as well if you follow the same rules of when you're a quarter in for its target, make decisions. All right. So that's it for this video on how to use double up, guys. It's very easy. It gives you signals, has alerts. This is a game changer here. This will change people's lives. All right. This is easy. This is done for you trading outside of the fact that you have to push the buttons yourself and occasionally maybe manually close some trades out and stick to the rules. All right. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the live sessions.